Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 43 for Hotel Management System in Laravel. In our previous video, we have created the CRUD for our banner, for our homepage banner for this place. And now what we will do, we will show banners only which has published status on. Okay, so which has published status on, we will show those banners on the home page. Okay, so we have created our banner system in our admin panel. Okay, now let's show this. So we will open this resource views and we will open here our home page. Okay, and similarly we will open our controller app http controller. So here is a home controller. Okay, now we will open the now we will fetch the banners. Okay, so we will import first of all banner model, then we will use this banner model banners. But here what we will do, here we need to add the where condition, where publish status is, or you can simply say on get. Okay, so this will get all data which has published status on. Okay, so we will pass here banners. This is very easy, you can say method to pass the data. Okay, so what we will do here, here we have images. So first of all, uh, we will copy this path, image path, and let's say we will for each dollar banners as dollar banner, and we don't need all the div, we just need only one, and for each. Okay, and here we will paste the path. So this will be banner source. Okay, and we will also paste the, you can say, all text, because we have also give the permission to add all text. Okay, so this will be all text. Okay, and we need to add the active class if index is 0. So what we will do here, index. So here we will add if dollar index equal to 0, then we will add the active class and if. Okay, if index equal to 0, then we will show the active class, else not. Okay, so yeah, so everything is all right. So this is very simple. So now let's refresh the page. So it is saying undefined, so we need to add here banner banner banner. Refresh. So here you can see that we have only one image, because image has on one image has published status on. So what we will do, let's go to admin admin, and we will go to homepage banner, view all, and here you can see that we have only published status one for only one image. I will say submit. Now I will refresh the page. So here you can see that now we have two images. Okay, so this is very simple flow. In this flow we have created the CRUD with the published status, and if a published status is on, then we will show that banner. Okay, so we have completed our banner section. Okay, so I think we have completed this project also. Okay, so I will just say uh, thank you to all of you that you are supporting me and I am creating these kind of videos. If you have any suggestion for the next project, then you can also comment me in the comment section, and I will also I'm also keep asking you in upcoming videos. Okay, so you can give me suggestion. Okay, So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.